So the problem is the next. Your company produces part for automobiles and you sell all the parts on 40 euro per piece price. You need a die, a tool, which is 20,000 euro, the cost. That is what kind of cost? That is a fixed cost. This fixed cost, this 20,000 euros is here. That is the fixed cost. Variable costs consist of 3 items. And what would be the total variable cost? 20. Yes. So when we draw the cost diagram, this would be our cost line. Is it true? Yes. And the slope of that is, so when we produce more by 1, our cost is 20. Can we draw the revenue line? What is your opinion? Can we draw the revenue line, revenue function, the income? How would you draw that? What is the starting point of that revenue line? 0. Is it true that when we sell 0 product, our revenue is 0? So it goes from here. And what is the slope of that line? Look at the data. 40. Good answer. 40. So that is 40. This is revenue and that is the total cost. What is the, how much would be the order? Do we have profit on that 4,000 order? We have profit or loss? How to calculate that? And if not, how much? Yes. Can we calculate the total income, the total revenue? Yes. How to calculate the total revenue? Total revenue. Okay. So price is 40 euro per piece times 4,000 pieces. How much? €160,000. How much would be our costs? €20 per piece, which is the variable cost per unit variable cost, times 4,000 pieces, plus fixed cost, €20,000. Total, 100,000 euro. How much would be our profit? 60,000 euro. Okay. We had some progress on that example, but we cannot answer now the make or buy question. We need more data, more information. How much would be other costs when we buy, and how would be our profit when we not make but we buy this part, this product? When we buy, we draw the same diagram. Revenue line would be the same, which is 40 times volume plus just 40 times volume, yeah, price, so for, yeah, times volume. Okay, so revenue is the same, 40 euro per piece times 4,000 pieces is equal 160 euro. What can we say about the costs? How much would be our fixed cost? If we buy nothing, it means that our cost line starts also at zero. What is the slope of this cost line? What is the cost buying? So, it says part of the production, the injection molding itself, can be done by subcontractor. It costs 20 euro per piece, which includes the cost of die. So, we buy it for 20 euros per piece. But follow the technology. There are additional variable works, costs on the parts provided by the supplier, which cause variable costs 4 euro per piece. So how much would be the total cost per unit for us? That would be 24 times volume. Do we have profit on it? How much is the profit? So the costs are 24 euro per piece times 4,000 pieces. How much is that? 96,000 euro. How much will be the profit? Profit will be 160 minus, that would be 64,000 euro. The question is make or buy. In the case of make, our profit was 60,000. In the case of buy, our profit was 64,000. So what is the answer for the question make or buy? Buy. Exactly, so buy. But there can be other questions. What other questions can be at this simple case? Yes, what is the volume where it's better to make or better to buy? Is it possible that certain volumes above it's better to make and under that volume better to buy, or opposite? Who knows? What is your opinion? Is there a kind of critical volume under it's better to make than buy? For us, it seems that we have a break-even. In the case of buying, we don't have break-even. There is no break-even is zero. Can you calculate our break-even? How much would be our break-even? Why do we calculate our break-even? Is it possible in this case, at this problem with these numbers, that it's for us it's better to we would make and not buy? Can you imagine situation in this example that we would make and not buy? Yes or no? Who would say yes? Yeah, that make and not buy. Make and not buy. Because it says, look at every volume, at the buying situation we have profit. All, look at this, all we have profit. In the case of making, sometimes we have profit, sometimes we have loss. Okay, when the profit at make is higher than the profit at buying. No, what is that volume? Try to calculate. Good. So that is the question, and the answer depends on our calculation. Let's see the make situation. Profit at make. How we calculate the profit? 40 times x minus our costs are 20 times x plus 20,000, the fixed costs. Profit at buy will be, for our revenue will be the same, and minus our costs, how much will be? Oh, sorry, 24 times x. And what is the question? 24 again. Oh. And what is the question? What is the point where profit at make is greater than profit at buy? So what we gonna do? To set up an equation that is profit at make, that is profit at buy, and profit at make is greater than profit at buy, or equal. Okay. Continue. that is 20x minus 20,000 greater than 16x. Is it correct? And then 4x greater than 20,000, x greater than 5,000 units or pieces. So that is the volume when buy is better than make. So what we say, under 5,000 buy, over 5,000 is rather make. Is it true? Is it true for every situation? Which situation not? We need 2,000 units. What is the decision? Buy. Okay. No, I am the buyer, you are the supplier. I need 2,000. $1,000. I am the buyer, you are the supplier. I need 1,000. What will happen? Will you provide me the product? Why wouldn't you provide me the product? Are you under your break-even? Can you calculate your break-even? Do you need that as a supplier? Yes, of course. Please do it. How much is the fixed cost at supplier? Okay. How much is the unit variable cost at supplier? We have data. How much? 9. 4 plus 4 plus 1. So 9. How looks the revenue line? How much is the price? What is his income? Supplies income. 24. What is the price on which they provide? No, not 24. For us cost, we pay for him how much? 20. No, that 4 occurs after we bought it. Just 20. Because he receives this 4 is at our after buying. Okay, so suppliers revenue 20 times X. So how much is suppliers break even? 20x is equal 9x plus 20,000. And 11x is equal 20,000. X is 1,000 then. 1818. 1818, yeah, and 18 again. Thank you very much. This break-even means that under this volume, we cannot buy, exactly, under this volume we cannot buy. How looks the whole spectrum? When we want to buy 0, between under 1818 we cannot make and we cannot buy. What is between, what is above? Okay, 5,000. What is 5,000? At 5,000 is, above 5,000 is make. What is under 5,000? Yes, here rather. Oh no, why no?
I need my break-even point too.
Who is you? No, supplier or buyer?
Buyer.
Or buyer. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay.
So my break-even point is 1,000.
Okay. No. What is the conclusion? What is the buyer's break-even? 1,000. Buyers was, can you calculate it? Did you calculate that? Oh, yeah. So we have to calculate this one. How much is that? Yes, you were right. We need buyer's break-even. Can we get this? 40 times x is equal 20 times x plus 20,000. And solution is 1,000. Okay, so we have another point here. Under 1818 we cannot buy, but we can make when it's more than 1,000. So it's make again. So the solution is under 1,000 is nothing. Between 1,000 and 1818 make. Between 1818 and 5,000 is buy, and above 5,000 is make. Is it as simple as looked before? No. And here you can see decisions in different situations, that nothing, make, buy, and those diagrams what we have drawn you can see also in your handouts. Is there a question? No, thank you.